One. Hi. We're just going on a bike ride right now. And shut up, Jack.
What's taking you so long?
What?
What's taking you so long?
Okay, guys, let's go down here.
Let me go.
Okay, come on. Yes.
Let's go, people. Up to the beach.
Beto, Beto. Liberty? Do you ever shut up? Where's the off button? Okay. Oh, God, Logan. What do you want to... Shut up. Do you ever shut up? Okay, he never shuts his mouth. So, Jackson, me, Frank, and the kid who ran me over on his bike, and his little brother, we used to have a fort back there in that swamp.
Yeah, and somebody stole it.
No, we abandoned it.
Wait, what?
We abandoned it.
Wait, how?
We just did because it was in the swampland. There's way too many mosquitoes, and we just got sick of it. There's nothing we could do. We couldn't do work back there.
Where was it at?
Right back there, in them trees.
Shouldn't we go in these schools? Go again?
No, I hate them.
What?
I like your flip-flops there, bud. Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. Okay, I don't get what is wrong with him. He's an idiot. Vito. Shut up. You upshot.
Where'd it go? It's right there.
Oh, it's right there. Oh my God.
Did you please go?
It cracked. It actually cracked.
Let me see it.
It cracked right there.
Wait,
Sorry.
watch the video, Owen?
No, we're still filming.
Dude,
That was funny.
that was crazy.
Dude, I did not mean to do that. I just...
Back to my house, okay?
No, let's just... Yeah, let's go back to your house.
Yeah,
And then once we get there, guys, I think we might have to end the video.
yeah. And then when you watch it, and you crack your phone. Okay?
Yep.
It's the second time your phone cracked when we were on the bike ride.
Okay, hang on, there's a car. I can't show it because they might get mad at me. So I'm going to put the phone on the ground. Keep going, Logan. Okay, they passed. We're good. Do you ever shut up? I don't know what's... Okay, I don't know what's wrong with that kid. He never shuts up. I've known him for 2 years. And whatever I did, I could never get him to stop saying Liberty. I don't know what's wrong with him. And his little brother, too. He just never stops talking. What are you doing? Too bad. I gotta watch where I'm going. Shut up! Sonic? Okay, Sonic. Sonic! Come on, we're going to your house. Okay. Okay, we're gonna end the video. Okay, see you guys in the next one. Subscribe. Goodbye.